Hello and welcome to this week's weekly outlook from the 17th of June to the 23rd of June. So basically last week we were just talking about how we had had a big swing break of structure here, all right, and we had failed here to put in a new low, all right. So this low was respected, we had this low failing, it was about to there. And so what that said to us was that this high was going to get run, okay? So we assumed that this would keep extending and we would get another break of structure. However, that did not happen, okay? So as you can see from this week, we came up, we still didn't quite take out this high. We got close, but we didn't, and then we had a massive rejection, okay? So that to us does say that this low is weak. But because we failed to put in a new low here and we failed to put in a new high here, we're sort of just in a range, okay? So from here to here, we're sort of a bit unsure of what's going on, okay? So what I'm going to emphasize is that you really just take care of what you can see in the charts, okay? So at the moment, we are quite low in the leg. We've had lots of break of structures to the downside. All right, and we're currently getting towards the bottom of this big range. All right, so what we're probably going to look for early in the week is to see, so say we've got a break of structure here, what we're probably going to look for is to see this get broken. All right, and we'll get a change of character, and then we'll start our move back up. All right, so I'm going to say that for the weekly outlook, I think we're probably going to be moving up again until proven otherwise, okay? So I would still be trading with a bearish mindset until we get that change of character. But yeah, that's what I think is going to happen. I think we're going to get a change of character early in the week, and then we're going to have a bullish week, okay? Another scenario is if we break through this, this range, we're obviously going to be looking quite bearish, okay? But even then, we are going to have pullbacks throughout the week, but our external bias will be bearish, okay? So we're going to get that bullish move at some point. But yeah, at the moment, we're sort of in two minds, and it's not super clear on which way it's going to go. So we just need to make sure that we're reacting to price rather than predicting, okay? Because I think that's a really easy way to get caught out. All right. And I just want to touch on last week, we made 2% and then just stopped trading on the Friday. We didn't trade anything on the Friday. And I think that was really positive. You're happy that you've ended that week on a positive note. You're not flat, you're not sad, and then you're just ready to attack next week, okay? So this week, I've started up a fresh FTMO demo account to really just make sure that I'm trading perfectly, getting everything perfect. And it's on like a 14-day trial, but it just gives you a way to mark everything down. Your results are kept all together, and you can't just say after a trade's gone through, oh, I would have taken that. It shows that you actually have, and you can put that in your data, and it just makes you be a bit more accountable, okay? So that's what I think you guys should do. Make sure you're adding to your data, and then seeing if you are profitable over a long period of time, okay? So I'm getting to the point now where I'm going to start refining my strategy, and then I'll do another 30 or so live trades, and then keep going, and then I'll be ready to start deploying some capital into a larger funded, okay? So probably something like 100K account, because at the moment, over the last month or so, I've made 11% with this strategy, so that would be enough to pass past the first phase of a funded, and obviously I'll be right on my way to passing a second. So I'm personally going to be looking at doing that. Just going to keep a bit of a watch on it, but obviously this strategy is good. 11% in a month or 2 months is, it's pretty handy. So just going to keep watching, and hopefully, we can get some good stuff coming out of that. So thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments below. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and if you like this new thumbnail as well, make sure you let me know. because I'm putting a bit more effort into those. I'm not going to be posting any daily analysis this week just because they're not really getting views, so I'm going to try and put out a bigger video midweek maybe. And yeah, I'm just going to see how that goes. Just trying a few different things. So yeah, let me know what you think, comment down below.